Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer your Dogecoin into USDT. So for those people who do not know Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency, and USDT is also a cryptocurrency, but it is like stable coin. So basically stable coin is its value is not going to go up or it's not going to go down, and USDT's value is equivalent to US dollar. So if US dollars value go down, it goes down, and if US dollars value goes up, it goes up. When you're buying USDTs, basically you're buying dollars, so just keep that in mind. And Dogecoin is like a normal crypto, so its price goes up and down. All right, so if you guys want to transfer a Dogecoin into USDT, then follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And don't forget to use our referral link to sign up into Binance to get up to $10 bonus. It's in the description, so use it. And let's get right into the video. First step, you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, basically what you want to do is you want to go on trade and you want to go on resist advanced full. So basically what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be selling our Dogecoin into USDT. Because basically if you're trying to transfer your Dogecoin into USDT, then basically we're going to sell our Dogecoin and then we're going to sell it for USDT. So just keep that in mind. We're giving Dogecoin to get USDT, which is also in another word known as transfer. All right. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on over here. Once you click on this little arrow, it's going to give you a search thing. And once you're over here, you want to search for Doge. You want to search for Doge. And when you're searching for Doge, you want to click on this where it says Doge/USDT, because we're transferring it to USDT. If you click on this where it says /BTC, then basically you're going to be selling Dogecoin for Bitcoin, which we do not want to do. We want to sell Dogecoin to get USDT. So we're going to click on Doge/USDT. So now when we're selling our Dogecoin, basically we're going to be selling it for USDT. And you want to go to the sell section over here. After you go to the sell section, as you guys can see, the price of one Doge is 0.2420. So let's say I want to sell 50 of my Dogecoin. Then basically what is going to happen is my total is going to be this. I'm going to be receiving 12 USDT over here. And then what I want to do is I want to click on sell Doge, and basically my Dogecoin will be sold for USDT. In another word, I'm giving my Dogecoin to get USDT. And if you want to, get Dogecoin again, you can just go to USDT/Dogecoin to buy Dogecoin using USDT. All right. So that's basically how you guys can do it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.